Pizza Steve. It's funny. Oh, geez, these ghosts are 3 times stronger. They get 90 health instead of just 30. Fucking Pizza Steve. Makes me think of how one of my friends told me he could play as Pizza Steve in Mario Galaxy 2. Oh, there's some mod. But that's funny though, they just have him hanging out there. Usually you wouldn't even see blue twirlers till some part of Area 3. So let's translate it like a double, never mind. Trying to get this one working now so that I'm not too worried about him. We have enough space. Take care of this one then. I guess not. So they have decent pole, so can't always get any shine. Alright, let's open this chest. See what the boo is in here. Thing that I wanted to add is this is actually a blind playthrough of this mod. I know Luigi's Mansion pretty well, but I just don't know what's going to be popping up and everything. Because as soon as I got it working, I just wanted to play it. Okay, that's interesting. Just turns around. Pizza Steve just hanging out in the middle of the room. Pizza Steve! He's only in the other room. Try and look in the secret room, see if there's anything interesting in there. Damn it! Damn it! Freaking clip of Ian from Smosh.
Never have controller problems on Wii. Oh my god. The horror. Oreo to show you fun. It doesn't work! Like, what is wrong with my controller? How do you get this shit to work? Oh my god. It doesn't work. It really doesn't understand the whole slide. It shows you the slider, but it just doesn't. Let's do it the old-fashioned way, dude. No ice balls. Fuck it, dude. It's not like I'm ever gonna play this again. It's actually working out fine. Shooting ice balls is for noobs. If I could somehow get one here. Yeah, the music's a bit much. Hey, look at that. We did it. With the broken controls that I don't understand why they're so broken. But like you're saying,